Hello everyone, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Flavors. Have you ever had a lazy day? Of course we do. But sometimes we don't know what to make for dinner. Our recipe for today is called garlic noodles. It's budget friendly yet very yummy. And you can make it under 20 minutes. With this recipe, you can use any noodles you like. You can use fettuccine, linguine, angel hair, egg noodles, or even spaghetti. But this one, I'm going to use spaghettini. Spaghettini is smaller version of spaghetti. But make sure you follow the cooking instructions of the noodles because every noodles varies. So, before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can receive more great recipes like this. And so, let's get started. I will see you in my next video.